Weever Starter makes it easy for you to digitize your factory operations. Whether you're using paper forms and ready to start your digital transformation journey, looking to fill a gap in an existing solution, or even replacing legacy software, you've come to the right place. Weever Starter lets you start with one operational use case and then build as you go. You only pay for what you use. Add tried and tested form and reporting templates if and when you need them. And with no setup fee or per user licenses, the costs are way lower and more predictable than any other product on the market. Use our out-of-the-box form and reports templates, which are built based on years of experience with Tier 1 manufacturing organizations. Do you have unique or custom requirements for your digital forms? No problem. Weever will customize the form to suit your unique needs. You can also make changes as you go using our industry-leading form builder tool. Our form templates are a highly intuitive and comprehensive way to capture data, manage workflows, and understand reports. If required, you can provide instructions to ensure your staff capture the information correctly and understand next steps. Use conditional logic to unclutter forms and reveal fields only when they're appropriate. Leverage our digital format to capture richer data. Take photos, include sketches, and capture digital signatures. Stay in the loop with what's happening in your factory. Supervisors are alerted when new reports are submitted. They can update the status, assign and add a due date, and add comments for the investigator. Assignees add additional information, including the root cause analysis, preventative actions, and work order data. When the project is completed, managers can review, sign off, and close the project. All of the data is captured in a form report, which provides access to historical data in a simple table with CSV and PDF downloads. Business intelligence reports also feature customizable graphs and data visualizations featuring information about participation, outcomes, and key performance indicators. Whether you are just starting your digital transformation journey or you're looking to fill a gap in your existing software, Weever Starter is the perfect solution for you.